Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, July the 14th, despite the fact we're in the middle of July, we got some good market action. A lot of the world is awaiting what's going to happen with the U.S. debt ceiling issue, so there are stocks in play. I've got 4 press releases for you, a couple from the resources, a couple from the tech. I like today's news. We got results and financial results. Let's get to the drilling first. Galway Resources, TSX Venture, GWI, announced that they intersected 97 meters of 3.0 grams ton gold, 86 meters of 2.7 grams, and 13 meters of 9 grams ton of gold. These are results from 7 additional drill holes on their company's California property in Colombia. I've always laughed about that, but what I don't laugh about is the company's news. They've been on AGORACOM TV a few times. They closed yesterday at 90 cents, $1.52 on the high, 63 cents on the low, $100 million market cap, a little rich, but look at today's news. They're up 4 cents. That's 4.44% on 155,000 shares. So the market likes this news. We've seen some weakness in the resources and the gold space, and given the fact that gold is just about to break through $1,600, you can't go wrong. On that note, let's go off to Prophecy Platinum, which reported 1.04 million ounces of PGM plus gold indicated and 10.97 million ounces of PGM plus gold inferred. This is on the Wellgreen project in the Yukon Territory. NKL on the Venture Exchange, P94P for our friends in Germany. This is an independent NI 43101 compliant report and mineral resource estimate. It incorporates drill data from 701 diamond drill holes, so it's extensive. They closed yesterday at 74 cents. Today, Prophecy Platinum is up strong, really big, 21, now 23 cents. That's 31% on 200,000 shares. That's what happens when you got strong 43101s that get released. It opened today at 77 cents, so there's definitely room to make money on this one earlier. Don't know if it's still there. You're going to have to take a look at it. But going forward, long term, and especially what's happened with gold, you've got to put this on your radar screen. Going over technology, Destiny Media Technologies, DSY in Canada, DSNY, almost Disney on the OTC. They're announcing record Q3 revenues. We always like to see that. This is for the period ending May 31st. Revenue came in at $1.176 million, the highest in the company's history. Now listen to this. That's a 24% increase over last year. That's a 40% increase sequentially over the previous quarter. So that's big, big numbers. That's pretty great for sequential growth. The one red flag here, net income for the 9-month ended May 31st so far, $260,000 versus $690,000 for the 9 months ended last year. So I don't know if this is just a case of maybe there were some sales or some numbers that got packed into Q3. Not sure, but nonetheless, great results for the company. And what I really like is their technology. The record industry uses their technology to securely distribute new pre-release music through the internet to trusted recipients such as radio stations, media, and VIPs. We know how big of a problem piracy is. I think Destiny's on the right track. You have to do your due diligence. But given the record Q3 revenues, given how important their technology is and what's being used by media, I think you got to take a close look at it. They closed yesterday at 39 cents. Today it looks like they closed yesterday, 35 cents, and they're unchanged right now. Not a surprise. Small cap tech isn't getting a lot of attention lately with gold starting to move, but I like this company. I'm going to put on my radar screen. And finally, BARZ International trades on the OTC under BARZ. They announced that they received a purchase order for $3.2 million. This was the delivery of 16,000 units of their 5BARZ Road Warrior. I'll get to that in a second. What's important here is it represents the entire production from 2011. They got wiped out of production. That's unbelievable. And the revenue from sales is going to be $3.2 million. Now, why do I like this press release in addition to the numbers? They're a winner of the International CES Innovations 2010 Design and Engineering Awards. That's big. And what do? Their technology, listen to this, delivers full cell phone signal strength and up to 20 times faster internet in dread zones with the weakest network carrier coverage. The device can be used from any location where power is available. So we've all been in that situation. We know that sometimes cell signals, internet speeds can be ridiculous in some places. They look like they've solved that problem. They get the numbers behind them because they got this massive purchase order, and they've got the recognition through the CES Innovations Award there. I think this is a great story to follow. A little bit about the tech. They hold the exclusive global marketing distribution rights and 50% ownership rights in the technology that underlies the 5 BARZ products. Closed yesterday 45 cents. Today up 4.9 cents to 50 on 3,700. Not a lot of volume, 3,700 shares. Nonetheless, up 10.8%. Their 52-week trading range, $1.15 on the high and almost sub-penny on the low. So you're gonna have to go take a look at that. Perhaps they just reverse merged or did something there. Nonetheless, great news out of the company. And great news for the entire day. That's 4 great press releases for you. If you look for more great small cap news and you look for resources news and you're watching this on Global Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not on the front page of AGORACOM, get there, watch this daily show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.